If Gcache shows, "Sorry, we're unable to process your request," don't worry. This is a common error, and it usually happens because of network issues, app glitches, or temporary system maintenance. Let's fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off. A weak connection can easily cause this error. Next, restart the Gcache app. Close it completely from recent apps, then open it again and log back in. This refreshes your session. Now, update the Gcache app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and install any available updates. Outdated versions often fail to process requests. After that, clear app cache, Android only. Go to Settings Arrow Apps Arrow G, Cache Arrow Storage Arrow. Clear cache. Avoid clearing data unless necessary, as it will sign you out. Also, disable VPNs or private DNS if you're using any. These can interfere with Gcache's security checks. If the issue continues, check Gcache system status. During maintenance or peak hours, requests may fail temporarily. Waiting a bit usually fixes it. As a final step, restart your phone and try again later. If nothing works, contact Gcache support through the app. In most cases, this error resolves quickly once the system stabilizes.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.